You see what I have here is yogurt. So tasty, so delicious. Not only for eating, consuming inside, also for your face as face mask, hair mask, hair conditioner. So powerful hair conditioner. Hello guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I create hair masks using this beautiful and creamy yogurt. If you want to see how I make this, please don't go away, keep on watching. Follow me to my kitchen. Let's go guys. So we are going to start. Here I have just pure yogurt, just clean, no fruits, nothing inside, 100% yogurt. As you all know, yogurt has a lot of protein and content with a lot of fat, has vitamin A, help to give you shine to your hair, softness, and also clean your hair. I'm going to follow it up with Amla powder. I love Amla powder so much. I use it a lot in my hair, and also put some vegetable Glycerine inside. This Glycerine helps to draw moisture to your hair. It gives you a very good shine to your hair. Also olive oil is also good for your hair, help to promote hair growth and add shine to your hair, softness as well. And my castor oil, you must not use everything I'm using in this video. If you have coconut oil at home, olive oil, any kinds of oil you have at home, you should use it. It also works very well. And honey is very good in moisturizing hair, give it shine, and also promote hair growth and make your hair very soft. As well, I'm going to add also my aloe vera juice. For those of you who lives here in Germany, you can always find your aloe vera juice in Rosmar DM and other organic shop as well. And again, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you're using your apple cider, try to use the one with the mother inside. Is much better. Most of you who lives here in Germany, you always order your apple cider in America. That original one you all know as apple cider. It's very expensive when you order it somewhere else. You can as well get a very good apple cider here in Germany. You can buy it in any store at all, and it's very cheap. It works also very well. They are very good, so that will help you save also your money. Okay, we love saving our money. And last, I'm going to add few drops of vitamin C oil. I prefer putting eggs into my yogurt mix, but I don't have egg today, so that's why I'm putting this vitamin E oil to present my egg. And again, I'm going to add few drops of vitamin E oil. You know, sometimes I use egg, but I don't have egg, so that's why I'm using this vitamin E oil to represent my egg. And again, the reason why I put apple cider inside is to give my hair balance the pH level of my hair, and also clean my hair as well. So now that I have all my ingredients here, I'm just going to use my mixer to whip everything together. I'm done mixing this, but for me this is too runny. I don't like such conditioner. I don't like when my deep conditioner is so runny, so I'm going to fix this up. I'm going to add this guar meal. I think the English name is guar, something like that. I hope I pronounce it well. You can get this anywhere in organic shop. Here in Germany we call it bio shop, so you can go to any of your bio shop and look for this. I'm just going to use a little bit of this guar meal help to thicken up your product. You can use it in cooking whatsoever, you know. It's just organic products. It won't cause you any harm, so I'm going to mix a little bit of this inside just to thicken up my product. As you can see, I'm not putting it much once. I'm just adding it a bit by bit because this thing can be so thicken. Can thicken up your product so fast. That's why I'm putting it a bit by bit. Now I have the exactly consistent I want. It's still the way I want to have it, and yeah, I have onions juice in my hair. I'm just going straight to wash that onions juice out of my hair. Use my African black soap shampoo to clarify my scalp. Make sure I remove all the buildup in my hair. Me, I'm not going to wash this thing out. I'm just going to put this deep conditioner, finish, not adding it to any conditioner. I'm going to leave it that way. Last time I shared with you how I make my onions juice. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it so that you can understand where we are, where we were, and where we are and where we are going to. Last time I shared with you guys how to make onions juice for your hair growth. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch it so that you can understand everything, okay? So let me go and wash my hair, come back and apply this. Oh guys, now my hair is washed, looking very clean, feels also clean. Oh, can you guys see that? Look how dark my hair is. I think this has a lot to do with that rice water. I use a lot of rice water in the past on my hair, so it helps so well in giving your hair this beautiful dark color. So I'm going to start applying my deep conditioner now. I start with a clean hair because I don't want to go back and start washing my hair again. So that's why I start with a very clean hair. Some people do this deep conditioner and then go wash their hair before putting a normal conditioner, but I don't want to do that. Both way work, but I prefer this way. And the guar meal I add in this deep conditioner help it to give it a lot of sleep. You see, so sleepy. Always make sure you focus on your ends, okay? They are the oldest part of your head and they need a lot of care. Did you see that, guys? And it's also so easy, so easy to detangle. I'm not going to twist my hair because I want to wash it on an open hair so that I'll get rid of all the yogurt and any products in my hair. So I'm just going to detangle it and leave it that way. You being a natural person, having your natural hair doesn't mean you are going to spend a lot of money on your hair. You can just use few things, little things like the things you have in your kitchen, banana, avocado, and many other things to just make yourself a very good deep conditioner, right? in your kitchen. Don't think you have to spend so much of money before you can grow up your hair. There are so many things you will use in growing your hair without spending too much of money, especially for most of us who live here in Germany. To get your hands on Afro hair products is sometimes it's difficult. Most of us live in a place where you don't even have African store. You have to travel that far to get something, and it's so expensive, very expensive. Even if you want to buy it on Amazon, eBay, it's also expensive. I'm very sure you all know what I'm talking about. But if you can try to do things like this at home, you get to have a nice hair and also save a lot. These products feel so great. I'm done detangling this side and look at my comb. No hair. Just that much. It's nothing. It's nothing at all for not combing my hair after 2 good weeks. So you see, it's nothing. Now I'm done with this side. I'm going to do the same on this side. My hair is not that long, but it's a lot. So much hair. So that's why my hair used to contain a lot of conditioner. For somebody like me, it's not so nice spending so much of money on a hair conditioner. That's why I try doing a lot of things myself to save money, because sometimes most of these products cost like 15 euro, 20 euro, 10, even more. And for me, it's just a once use. So you see, and I wash my hair every week. That would be too much money to spend on a hair. I don't have that much money. I'm a single mom just trying to survive my life, and I don't want to use all the money I work to spend on hair. I try to do something so that I can save. It's also a way of saving for me. You can as well eat it, but don't eat it. It's nothing to eat. You don't need to eat it. Everything is nice and detangled, so I'm just going to cover this and leave it for about 1 hour, and then I'll be back to show you how my hair is looking like and how it's feeling. So guys, this is my hair after I have washed all the deep conditioner out, and I love my hair. I love the way it feels. It feels so soft. It's also looking so shiny. I don't have any conditioner inside yet. I just wanted to come out here and show you my finished look. And yeah, this conditioner is worth trying. Okay, try it. If you doesn't like it, you have nothing to lose. Please don't forget to leave your comments, like and subscribe to this video. Okay guys, don't forget. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next video. Bye.